Now we start with the second measure of central tendency, median. Median is the value of the observation which is in the middle of all the observations. It is therefore called a positional average. It is one of the positional average. We'll be learning other positional averages also in this topic, that is deciles, quartiles and percentiles. But first of all, let us understand the meaning of median. Median, quartiles, deciles and percentiles are called positional averages because their values are found using the value of an observation at a specific position among all the values of the variable in the ordered data. So first of all, let us understand the meaning of median. Median is defined as the value of middlemost observation when the data are arranged either in ascending or descending order. It is denoted by M. In other words, 50% values of observations in the data are above the median and 50% observations have value less than median. Median is exactly in the middle after arranging the observation in ascending or descending order. It divides the observations arranged in two equal parts. Half of the observations are less than median value and half of the observations are more than median value. Thus, median is regarded as a positional average. It lies in the middlemost position. So let us start with the examples of median for ungrouped data, discrete data and then continuous data in order. So let us start with the discrete data, ungrouped data first. This is illustration 17. The number of items produced by a factory in different weeks are given below: 80, 85, 90, 92, 68 and so on. And you are told to find the median production. To find median or any other positional average, the first step is you have to arrange the given data in ascending order. So, ascending order means starting from the smallest to the highest observation. So, 55, then next in order is 63, then next in order is 68, 72, 80, again 80 is repeated, 85, 90 and 92. Now, as we can see, the number of observation here is 9. So, to come to the middlemost observation, we write median M is value of n plus 1 upon 2. The value of n plus 1 upon 2 observation. So, this is our ascending order. Our n is 9 plus 1 upon 2. So 10 upon 2, that is fifth observation. So the fifth observation in the order is 80. So the median here is 80. Median production of the factory is 80 items, 80 units. Now this is n is an odd number, but many times n can be an even number. So let us see one sum. This is illustration 18. This is a profit of a hawker for last 10 days and you're told to find the median profit. First we'll arrange the data in ascending order. So you're getting 249, 255.50, 257, 260, 261.5 likewise. Median is value of n plus 1 upon second observation. So here n is 10 plus 1 upon 2, so 11 upon 2, that is 5.5th observation. Now to come to 5.5th observation, you have to take the value of 5th observation plus value of 6th observation divided by 2. So the 5th observation is 260 and the 6th observation is 261.5. So 260 plus 261.5 divided by 2, so that is 260.75. So the median daily profit of the hawker is 260.75 rupees. This is calculation of median for a ungrouped data. Now let us proceed to the discrete frequency and continuous frequency, which we'll be doing in the next video.